Hello, welcome back. I recently had the extraordinary privilege of meeting a new colleague and friend of mine, Renauld, who is French but lives in a Caribbean island as part of his intention and plan to create the ideal life of trading financial markets. And his own journey and experiences are a lot like and parallel to my own. And then I discovered that because this gentleman was an IT developer, a software engineer before he got into trading, he has been able to create his own custom indicators step by step with the things that he has found himself to be useful in trading. And it is amazing once you see how he's using these particular indicators that he developed himself to get the ideal results from trading. And this type of logical and mechanical and sophisticated indicator software development aspect is extremely useful for those of us who mainly use our own eyes and visual recognition of patterns. This can greatly enhance that and take away some of the doubt and uncertainty that we may have had at times. Let's take a look at how Renauld uses this.
We will make an announcement at the end of the video. We will tell you how to get access to our trading room for free. So, stay tuned until the end of the video. Hi, this is Renaud speaking here. I am happy to share this video with you today. In this video we'll be trading live the Australian dollar. Before we go live, I will give you an introduction to the trading system I use to scalp the Forex. Here is a summary of the video. We will go through the different topics. The trading system, the trading goals, the trading plan, the trade management rules and more. Let's go into more details for the different topics we're going to discuss today. Before we start the presentation, I would like to display a short disclaimer. For complete disclaimer, please read the description of the video. Never forget that there is nothing certain when it comes to trading. Anything can happen in the market. Anyone can lose all his investment and more. No one should invest money in the market if one cannot afford to lose it all. We recommend anyone to use demo account or paper trading while learning how to trade and invest in the financial markets. We do not advise any transaction with financial instruments. All we discuss in our videos is for educational purpose only. Let's start with the trading system. The current trading system is based on the combination of different elements: fundamental analysis, sentiment analysis, and technical analysis. Fundamental and sentiment requires studying economic data points and news releases for major countries. We define the best pairs and direction of the trade with fundamental and sentiment. Once we have established which Forex pair to trade, then we use technical analysis to find an entry with a small risk and good reward to risk ratio. The order flow can also help us confirm the entry point, but this is not mandatory. Let's talk about the goals of our system. The system was built to trade small operations in the market. The idea is to trade with a small risk, and aim for a reward to risk ratio above 2.0. We can usually achieve a reward to risk ratio of 3 to 5. We do not need to be very accurate to make money with this system. Accuracy of 50% to 60% can be enough to achieve profitability. We want to make small gains on a daily basis and accumulate those gains over time. We want to be quick in and out of the market. We want to close our operations at the end of the trading session. The good point is that the system can work even for small accounts of $500 capital. It would require to have a leverage of 30 for the broker account. Finally, this system can be used by beginner traders as well as advanced traders who want to scalp the Forex. Now a few words about our trading plan. This is of course just an overview. It is meant to understand the global process we use to trade this system. To start, we analyze the fundamental and sentiment. With this data we can define the best pairs to trade and the direction of the trade. Then we have a look at the economic calendar to identify news that could move the market. If we confirm that this is the right time to trade, Then we start to analyze the chart. We identify possible levels of entry that could act as support or resistance. We also identify possible targets to take profit in case we decide to enter the trade. Once we enter the trade, then we start the management process. We have a few simple rules to manage our trade. We place a stop below support or resistance as soon as we open the trade. Once price moves in our favor and we reach the reward to risk ratio of 1, we move our stop to break even. It means that at this moment in time we have no more risk on the table. This is a risk-free trade. We can also take a partial profit at this point. Now we will start trailing our stop as price moves in the right direction. We will put our stop below the most recent high or low. Each time that the market is making a new high, then we can move our stop. And we go on with the trailing stop until it is triggered. With these management rules we have no confusion possible. No hard decision to make. This is what I like from these management rules. And as you can see, we try to secure a small profit very quickly. As explained earlier, we base our trading opportunities on fundamental and sentiment analysis. Every day we analyze the headlines and the major economic indicators. We traded the Australian dollar on the 16th of March 2022. Why did we make the decision to trade the Australian dollar this day? Well, because the headlines this day were about China stocks and probable strength of the economy in China for this year. China is a major economic partner of Australia. Good news in China usually means good news for Australia too. For this reason, we expected strength in the currency of Australia this day. And we decided to trade the Australian dollar as a buy.
Is this just an all clear for markets? Is everyone setting aside all the tech regulation worries? Or is it just a bounce back as a matter of how much they've sold off in the past few days?
That's an market's perspective. It is the commentary, the verbal intervention from China that is really worth talking about this morning.
Yeah, absolutely. Stepping in to stop the plunge we have seen in Chinese assets. And I'll get to that in just a moment. I do want to, though, quickly touch on some breaking news out of the IEA, which has...
We are now moving to the action in the market. Let me first show you the screenshot I took from the chart. It gives you an overview of where we entered, where we did put our initial stop, when we moved our trailing stop, and where we did exit the trade. We exited the trade since our stop was triggered. We tried to stay in the trade as long as possible. But the market has the final word, of course. We also prepared a summary of the operation. We have here the main trading metrics of the operation. The risk, the reward to risk, the gain. As you can see, the operation was of quite short duration, less than 2 hours for the price action. You can pause the video if you need more time to review this data. We started the recording of the trading session just after opening the position. And we have the full recording until we exited the trade. The video was put in accelerated mode to save your time. Let's start. That's it for the action in the market. I want now to comment a few points. When we go for small operations, it is highly important to have tight spreads. Do not forget that as we open our position, we have to pay for the spread before we can start making profit. The higher the spread, the more difficult it will be to achieve profitability. Therefore, it is important to choose the right time to scalp. I recommend scalping only when we have high liquidity and low spreads. For instance, in the afternoon of the American session, liquidity might be lower and spreads higher. This might not be the best time of the day for this trading style. I consider it is better to trade around the major sessions, European, American and Asian sessions. Another consideration is the choice of the broker and the type of account. There might be great differences across brokers. Perform due diligence to find out the best broker for your trading style. I have been using Pepperstone Razor accounts for years. And there is a good reason for that. Trading conditions with Pepperstone Razor accounts are very favorable. I can enter and exit positions easily, and have to pay a very low spread. With the major currency pairs, and at the time I trade, I usually have spreads from 0.0 to 0.5 pips. That's awesome, and it can really make the difference between winning and losing money. I give you a link below in case you want to learn more about Pepperstone. To be fully transparent, I am an introducing broker for Pepperstone. I genuinely like this broker, and for this reason I have so many years with them. I told you at the beginning of the video that we were to make an announcement. Well, the time has come to make the announcement. It is about our trading room. I personally trade twice per day every day of the week. In the morning, I trade the end of the European session, or the beginning of the American session. And in the night, I trade the Asian session. I follow every day the same process. Before the trading session, I analyze the market outlook. I define which are the best pairs to trade. I monitor the economic calendar. And then I start analyzing the charts to find an entry. My operation are short in duration, usually 30 minutes to 2 hours. Who is the trading room for? Anyone can learn something every day, watching the way we scalp the Forex. It does not require big capital to scalp the Forex. This trading style requires only $500 capital to start trading. If you are not sure of your skills, you can start with demo account or with live account and a small position. We only take a small risk of a few USD per position. If you have some interest in trading and you want to join our trading room, then we have good news for you. As a subscriber of our YouTube channel, you can get a free access pass. Just contact our support over email and apply for the free access pass. You will be able to access our trading room and trade live with us. Our support will confirm the acceptance of your application and will give you all the details. Beware that this offer is limited in time. If you are interested in this opportunity, then act fast, and contact our support over email as soon as possible. support@orderflow-trader.com. That is the special announcement we prepared for you. Thank you for watching the video till the end. We offer free trials for all our order flow indicators. Take advantage and enjoy. We also offer more than 60 indicators for Metrader and TradingView. All Metrader indicators are available both for version 4 and 5 of Metrader. Follow the link in this page to access our online store. We remind you that all links of the video are also available in the video description. If you have any question, don't hesitate to contact us. You can contact us over email. We are available from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., New York time. We try to answer all questions within 24 hours. We are happy to help. We hope you enjoyed the present video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive all our videos. You can learn Forex trading and order flow in our channel. You can also watch our recorded live trading sessions. Thanks again for watching this video. Talk to you soon.